You alright? I'm alright, thank you. Guys, I can't believe this. Finally, after days and days, months and months, years and years, because it's actually been years of postponing it, I'm finally here today. I'm finally here. Can't believe it. Peak District. Here to explore the beauty of a hidden gem, which I'm gonna reveal to you in a moment. Yeah. Imagine coming for a hike and this is the beauty you experience, guys. So amazing. What else would you ask for in life? Crystal clear waters. So we will be walking all the way up, then probably I'm gonna walk all the way up, do some hike and come down the hill. When you come here, you need to be sensible. No cooking, do not leave rubbish, no fires. Your dog has to be on lead all the time. No drones. And that's where my Insta360 comes in handy. It's gonna be my drone for today. Look at that. So we're still walking. Look at that stunning beauty of being in nature. So at this point I was setting up my Insta360 X5 since I wanted to capture some shots along the stepping stones using it, but I also at the same time was setting up my GoPro since I was using it as my second camera, and I just had to be patient because there were lots of other visitors or tourists who had come to explore the area, so it calls for a lot of patience. You have to give turns to others, and because I knew I would take quite some good time as I filmed all this, so I let people have their selfies, have their time filming before I went on, and yeah. The stepping stones are so popular that tourists would travel from all over the world, various corners of the world, and come to the Peak District, and this is one of the attractions which they normally have in their bucket lists. Other than that, this is a popular picnic site where people visiting are allowed to have like picnics, but with no fires, obviously, because this is a park, this is a national park, and also as a safety measure.
Come all this way. If I was here, I just sort of do just to go first. And also for this as well. I just, I'm done with it. And I do feel very good.
My head was probably the right thing.
What is it? Is it just
I might go on.
Guys, we're going to do like a selfie with them all on the...
I'm running out with the quick.
Good. Who's going in first then?
William crowd.
I'm moving over. I need to go over. Very professional, this.
Yeah.
So you going on there and taking a picture of yourself, are you? Is that your plan?
Yeah. Taking a video of myself.
All this technology. You know what? You're probably better just being there. In the chair at home. and set it up.
There is a certain fulfilling
Oh,
feeling
yeah.
when you do it live on location.
Do it really.
You might have to wait for an hour though.
That's why I came today. On a weekend I hear it's terrible.
Yeah. And the school holiday. Last time we were here it was a sunny day.
Yeah.
No children.
Everyone was
Couldn't do
outside.
anything, yeah. It's nice that everyone enjoys it.
Yeah.
Might duck down a bit.
I can't see you again.
Oh, very good.
Do you want me to take one of all of you?
Oh, yeah. That'd be fantastic. Thank you.
Don't drop the camera.
Way to go, yeah.
The good thing is it's not deep, even if
I think
it's
it's
close.
control. You might have the camera that's all.
Yeah.
If I go this way.
1, 2, 3, jump!
Brilliant. Thank you very much. That's great. Cheers.
Good. Will I go faster?
I think you might be next.
I bet you will be my cameraman for today.
Yeah, okay.
What do you want me to do?
The photos. Because I'm
Photos.
gonna.
Oh, you're not going to do a video now?
Yes, he's doing a video.
I'm doing a video on that and a video on this.
And he wants photos on that.
And you want
Goodness me,
photos
you
as
must be
well?
the most photographed man in history.
I've got a YouTube channel. So
Oh, it's a blog. Oh, I see. Where else have you been then?
I do. This is the first one I'm doing. I spend a lot of my free time in this one.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. It's alright, I needed a rest. I've got a bad back, so I needed a rest. And I'm quite keen. I'm going to sit on these rocks and watch you go.
Alright.
Can you save my space? I'll go.
I'm in the way with it. I was taking photographs and I was stood in front of that.
No, it's
Sorry, I
alright.
didn't know what you were doing.
That's called
cross it,
cinematic
can't you?
photography.
Sorry,
It's alright.
Cross it.
Yeah,
Cross
yeah.
it. All right. Yeah, I didn't realise I was stood in front of that. Sorry about that. Do you want to do
Oh, you've done some
I've done a
really
few.
nice ones.
But do you want to do it again? Do you want to go back over?
Yeah.
And I'll keep
Yeah,
out of your way.
yeah, yeah.
Just take one of me then before, and then I'll keep out.
Oh, yeah. On my camera.
Oh, not for the blog.
So go on then.
And then your wife said to me, you're in the middle of it. I didn't know you were.
No, it's alright.
Go on then.
That's me.
Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think I ruined
Yeah.
that one for you.
It's a bit windy, so you can hold on it.
Are you okay now, yeah? Are you okay now?
Yeah, thank you.
Good luck for the next one. I'll keep them
Thank
out the
you.
way.
Thank you. Guys, finally I made it. This is Dovedale, the famous Dovedale stepping stones. This was my surprise hidden gem for today, and I hope you've enjoyed the vlog. This is in the Peak District. You can visit anytime. It's free to visit here. People having fun, but it gets so busy on a weekend or school holidays. So if you can plan and maybe visit on a weekday, it's gonna be favorable to you, unlike when it's on a weekend. It's a popular yeah. It's a popular destination. It's a very popular tourist attraction here in the United Kingdom. So you can visit anytime you're around this area. So that's the view from here, guys. So lovely. This is me hiking now. Let's see if we can now enjoy a snack. That is priceless, guys. Being surrounded by all this beauty is priceless. I'm hungry, guys. I'm hungry now. Have some avocado here. An orange. An apple. It's drizzling now. It's gonna rain, guys, but I'm all set and ready for the rains. Got a raincoat in my bag. have to walk all the way down, guys. All the way down. So rule number 1, always make sure your shoes have got some really nice grips. Really nice grips. Oh, yeah. So at this point the wind overpowered my microphone and I had no option other than letting nature take its course, and I just carried on walking. I had only one goal and eyes set on the prize, and the prize was getting to the peak. I'm not sure whether you can see people up here, and that's where I'm headed to. After experiencing some rocky surfaces, I came across this grassland and I stopped by to admire the beauty. It was so scenic, and yeah, this is one of the reasons why I like being in nature, because there is a different feeling, a fulfilling feeling which comes along with being in nature. So I was just admiring the scenery as I walked up the mountain. Yeah, I'm almost there. I'm walking all the way up to the top. I could see the peak from here, which encouraged me to soldier on. I couldn't wait for that moment where finally I would be at the top and see the whole area, all the surrounding from that bird's eye point. And this made me like push on. So I was still enjoying the views, stopped occasionally to have a 360 of the area. It's so breathtaking, guys. You only have to be here for sure. To be fair, I don't think the camera is doing justice to the views in this area. So it's such a beautiful place, so fulfilling. A reason why I'm recommending it to everyone who loves being in nature, outdoors, enjoying some fun activities like hiking. I'm also doing this, guys, to prepare myself for another hike back in Kenya. So 254, I'm coming soon. Be ready. Yo, what's up? Guys, look at this beauty, guys. I did one more stop here to capture some more breathtaking views, and also because this was like the last stop before I go to the top, and it was worth every second of it, guys. The wind was still strong, but I still had to do this for you guys. Reason why you should subscribe. We are almost at the peak. It now dawned on me that it was no longer a dream, but a reality, that I had conquered this and was just like a few seconds away from the peak, which was my target, and I was so proud of myself. It was so amazing. I just wish you could understand the feeling I had when I got to the top. This was such a milestone for me, an achievement for me. And one thing is that before I started like traveling, I used to be so much afraid of heights, and seeing myself hiking and climbing such mountains all the way to the peak, it's no mean achievement for me. So it really felt like this was a great achievement and such a milestone. And I also used this as a benchmark to see if I could conquer a dream that I have to like climb some of the mountains we have back in Kenya when I go for vacation. And this just reassured me that, hey mate, you can do it. So I'll be doing more of such vlogs in August. Reason why you should stay subscribed and put your notification bell on. Ma. 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 Hi, Mr. Sheep. Ma. Ma. Hope you've enjoyed the vlog. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna appreciate, guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. From John Daniels 254, right here are the Dovedale stepping stones. It's a wrap. I will see you in the next one. Bye.